themselves warm. On the whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different from the rest. I don't believe a turkey's egg can fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grain of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, but it's different, and it's different. Oh my word! What's wrong with your quack? You're not like your brothers and sisters. And you're different. If I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No? Well, what about water? Would you like to go for a swim?
Oh, I love you, Mama.
Oh, thank heavens for that. I knew you were one of mine. Now, your father has taken the others off for their first swimming lesson, so why don't you and me do the same, right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind, just the basics to get you started. It's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The most important thing is to not be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Good gracious, no. It's further than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting. And I didn't mean to go that far there. Now, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right. Just do as I do and you should take to it like a duck.